Welcome to our guide to the best blenders of 2024. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary experimenter, or just someone looking to simplify your kitchen routine, choosing the right blender can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is perfect for you? In this video, we'll explore the top contenders, highlighting the features that make each one stand out. We're talking about powerful motors, precision settings, and even smart features that can elevate your blending experience. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to make an informed decision and find the blender that fits your lifestyle perfectly. Let's get started. Number 5. Breville, the 3X Blueser. For those who love smoothies, juices, and cocktails, the Breville 3X Blueser is a must-have. This space-saving blender juicer combo boasts a 1,000-watt output and a 50-ounce capacity. With 5 angled blades in a specially designed bowl, it keeps ingredients moving, ensuring smooth blending every time. In just 45 seconds, it turns fibrous greens into juice and frozen fruits into pourable treats. Plus, the juicing chute lets you drop whole fruits, like small apples, into its wide 3.5-inch opening. 4 one-touch buttons and 5 speed settings make it easy to create everything from creamy smoothies to emulsified dressings. The 12-speed range allows for precise control, sleek and stylish. The 3X Blueser looks great on any countertop. Cleaning is a breeze, too. Just add soap and warm water, and the auto-clean mode takes care of the rest. Number 4. Vitamix A3500. Introducing the Vitamix A3500, a top-tier blender built for those who take their culinary creations seriously. With a 64-ounce capacity, this powerhouse is ready to tackle almost any recipe you throw at it. Whether you're crafting creamy smoothies, crushing ice, or blending up your favorite soups, the A3500 delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Equipped with 5 program settings and a tactile variable speed dial, this blender offers you precision control at your fingertips. The 4-blade design, 2 flat, 2 angled, ensures your ingredients are blended to perfection in no time. Plus, with the added benefit of a large plastic tamper, even the toughest blends move along smoothly. But the Vitamix A3500 isn't just about power, it's also about convenience. The auto-clean mode makes tidying up a breeze, while the wireless connection to the Perfect Blend app opens up a world of possibilities with 17 preset programs and over 500 step-by-step recipes. And with a 10-year full warranty, you can blend with confidence, knowing Vitamix has you covered. While it may not excel at making oat milk, the A3500 is a master at everything else, making it a must-have in any serious kitchen. Number 3. BlendTec Total Blender Classic. If smoothies are your go-to treat, the BlendTec Total Blender Classic might just be your new best friend. With a powerful 1,560-watt motor and an upturned helicopter blade design, it effortlessly blends frozen berries, bananas, protein powder, and ice into the smoothest textures. It's not just great for smoothies. This blender also makes creamy hummus in under a minute. Despite its utilitarian design, the BlendTec is stable yet lightweight, making it easy to move around your kitchen. The 10-speed controls, pulse mode, and 6 pre-programmed settings give you all the versatility you need, whether you're making batters, soups, or even ice cream. However, it struggles a bit with ice, occasionally leaving small chunks behind. But with a 75-ounce capacity and a bright, easy-to-read LCD timer, it's a solid choice for anyone serious about their smoothies. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus. Meet the Ninja Professional Plus, a powerful blender that delivers pro-level performance without breaking the bank. With a generous 72-ounce capacity and 1,400 watts of power, it's designed to handle everything from thick, frothy smoothies to finely milled grains. Its smart, pre-programmed settings make blending effortless, while the ergonomic handle and secure seal top add to the convenience. Though the stacked blade assembly may require extra care during cleaning, and the noise level can be a bit high, this blender's performance and affordability make it a top contender. The Ninja Professional Plus is all about power, precision, and a budget-friendly price tag. Number 1. Breville, the Super Q blender. The Breville Super Q blender is truly in a class of its own, designed for those who seek the power of a commercial-grade machine in the comfort of their own kitchen. With its 68-ounce capacity and robust 1,800-watt motor, this blender doesn't just blend, it transforms your ingredients. Whether you're whipping up creamy hummus, crushing ice into perfectly fluffy snow, or creating smooth, dairy-free oat milk, the Super Q delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. One of the standout features of the Super Q is its 12-speed settings, giving you precise control over every recipe. The vortex effect it creates ensures that every ingredient is thoroughly blended, resulting in smoothies and soups that are incredibly smooth and full of flavor. The blender's hefty 10.5-pound design design adds to its stability, making it a permanent fixture on your countertop, ready for any culinary challenge. Cleaning the Super Q is a breeze, thanks to its programmed 1-minute clean cycle. The wide-mouthed 68-ounce BPA-free jug and built-in blade assembly reduce the hassle and risk of injury when reaching in to clean. And with a 10-year warranty, your investment is well protected, making the Breville Super Q blender a top choice for serious home chefs. This blender is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a powerhouse that brings out the best in your recipes, earning its spot as the best blender overall. And there you have it, the best blenders of 2024. Whether you're blending up your morning smoothie, crafting gourmet sauces, or even experimenting with homemade nut butters, the right blender can transform your kitchen experience. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, so no matter your needs, there's a perfect match out there for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top picks and kitchen tips. And if you've got any questions or your own blender recommendations, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.